We, the Rovers of TAMIRAPARANI Club, members of MUTHAMIL Public School, commenced our study on TAMIRAPARANI from Manjolai, the Kurunji landscape, from where the river originates. Through binocular, we watched the honeycomb of rock B. As we ascended the hills, we saw chameleon, the green lizard, arboreal ant, giant squirrel, and Nilgiri langur. We measured the speed of the stream as 0.09 meter per second, and pH was 7, which means neutral. In Manimuttaru Falls, we spotted a peninsular rock gamma, that is a rock lizard. Though we experienced many wonderful things, our day was coming to an end and we had to return, so we started back.
On our trip to Thalanai of Kalakadu Forest, the Mullai landscape, our mentors explained us about the species of butterflies. From the watchtower and through binoculars, we witnessed the nature's beauty. We saw the feeding ground of elephants with broken and thrashed bamboo trees. With the guidance of Mr. Anthony, the stream turbidity was checked as 2 inches deep and the stream was transparent. We saw a 300 years old Arjuna tree in the top of hills. Thus our trip came to an end with fun and joy.
The third trip of Rovers of TAMIRAPARANI was to Katananadi Reservoir, which feeds many irrigation tanks in Tirunelveli district. We stepped into the Mardam landscape by walking into the paddy fields which are irrigated by water from this reservoir. The odor of the stream was fishy and the temperature at the surface of the water was 25 degrees Celsius and the bottom was 24 degrees Celsius. We collected information about the paddy varieties, tools used, and parts of a paddy plant from farmers. We cored the soil in the stream and found some midges larvae, which is an indicator of polluted field due to the fertilizers and pesticides used there. Later, Mr. Anthony, along with us, identified a caddisfly larva from the samples collected in the stream. Thus, we ended our trip by enjoying a bath in the canal.
We visited INR Sudai, which is also an irrigation tank, the Palai landscape. It was naturally created by the groundwater. We relaxed on steps while the mentor described about the species of flora and fauna living there. We mostly saw the birds which had migrated from European countries. Then we took the physical parameters of the Sunai like temperature, turbidity, and we collected specimens on the Sunai. We also observed many specimens through the microscope. Then we had a good feast of lunch. In the end, we also experienced the sand dunes of Terikadu.
Fifth and the last trip of Rovers of TAMIRAPARANI was to Punnakayal. At first, we went to salt pans in 400 acres. We recorded the pH as 8, with slightly alkaline. Then, we collected some Artemia worm on the stream. Mr. Anthony showed us halophytes and discussed about its futures. Then we reached Punnakayal and we got the boat to witness the river water entering the sea. During the boat ride, we saw the mangrove forest of Punnakayil and flocks of birds. During our boating, Mr. Raja, who rowed the boat, demonstrated with an instrument to find the depth of the sea. We anchored the boat near a small riverian island, where the turbidity of the water was 3-inch depth and the temperature of the surface of water bodies as 27 degrees Celsius. We captured different types of crabs and such as hermit crab, etc. It was pleasure to our eyes watching beautiful nature around us.
Be a part of solution, not part of pollution.